Hi everyone, I hope you're keeping safe. So in this video, I'd like to show you how I use my Wylera Dreamwave curler. So when you use this curler, make sure to face the front of the barrel away from the hair, and you can always switch between the curling directions of left and right. Here I'm using 180 degrees on 8-second timer. It's so easy to use compared to using a wand or a straightener. It has a beeping sound to tell you how long it's on, and double beeping sound to indicate that it's done. So personally for me, I like my curls looser, hence I've only set it for 8 seconds, but you can definitely set it for longer if you like. You can also change the heat setting. So just one thing to remember, use the left setting on the right side of your face and the right setting on the left side of your face. So it's right, left, left, right. So your curls will actually sweep away from the face. But if you like it going the other direction, then use the setting accordingly. Also, note that this device will never grip your hair, so don't worry about your hair getting caught. Because if you feed too much hair into the barrel, it will not work. And I also love the fact that it's cordless, so I can just bring it everywhere with me if I need a quick touch-up. So here I'm just trying to curl the rest of my hair. Looks like I'm almost done. So there you go. It's so easy and quick. What do you guys think? You can dress it up with a hair clip, or you can just wear it as it is. You can do side parting. I personally love side parting because it gives so much volume, and it looks really romantic as well with the loose curls. So yeah, I really love it. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.